Hi, Joe from Kriete Truck Center, Stevens Point. Got our stock number MMD018349. This unit is a 300 horse Cummins Allison automatic transmission, 14-foot Tafco landscape body with dump sides, reversible tailgate, pintle plate. Features a 10,000 pound front axle, 19,000 pound air ride rear with differential lock. Safety yellow in color. 90 gallon fuel tank. Air ride driver's seat. Unit only has 498 miles on it. Differential lock, PTO, engine brakes, electric brake controller. Have any questions on this unit? Give us a call at your local Kriete Truck Center or visit us on the web at KrieteTrucks.com. Take a look at our MACK, Volvo, Hino, Isuzu, Autocar, and cross-country inventory.